Sa court pa lang, may tension na agad. Mga mata nag-iinit, parang may laban kahit warm up pa lang. Ang lakas ng spike, pati attitude may bang. Pero kahit nag-aasaran, teamwork pa rin ang laman. Ang ingay sa gilid, tawanan sabay taray. Minsan may konting drama, pero walang bitawan. One team, one fight, kahit may salitang masakit. Sa dulo ng araw, kami pa rin ang solid. Valentong GB, GB lang, GB lang, GB lang. Bawal lang seryoso, GB lang, good vibes lang. Mga players na maldita pero nakakaano talaga.
Now serving jersey number 7, Carl Berdal. Receive ni Batas, angat ni Berdal. Ibanez ni grab sa likod, Batas was there. Angat. Ibanez drop ball, angat. Rob Tamayo sa gitna. Point for Nicholas Marsh. Jersey number 2 on the service deck. Visit ni Carl. Riley atake at tawag ng ating official. Visit ni Carl. Riley referee ay net violation committed by Carl. Now serving Riley Santa Maria. Tamayo atake nakat ni Josh. Bernal sa kay Ibanez, Ibanez outside. Bernal sa kay Ibanez, Ibanez. Service by jersey number 13. Ibanez ni-receive, a-attack sa gitna, soft touch, at Ibanez again, once again, outside. Ibanez again, once again. Official score, 3-1.
Challenge po, meron po tayo mga boleto.
Receive ni Carl, makulab na si Seth, right. Ibanez sa open, nice block by Agovida. Makulab na si Ibanez, Ibanez. That went outside as per our official review. 4-1. Service still by Tamayo. Overcoats that one. Score. Cisnero now serving, receive. Abor sa 4 atake. Abor sa 4 atake. Abor sa 4 atake. At but not successful. Now serving jersey number 1. Receive ni Berdal. Mangulab na, sets kay Riley. Riley sa soft touch, angat. Resource ko sa open, over ball. Kennedy Batas. Good luck ball, side. Kennedy Batas. Mangulab na jersey number 1. Now serving Josh Ibanez. Inisip ni Batas, papaluin ni Batas, that goes through by Kennedy Batas. Official score. Service by Amor. Outside by
Super Smash.
now serving Mangulagdan. Inisip ni Tambayo, isa-set. Kennedy Batas sa atake din Rob angat. Berdal sa open, soft touch ang ni Batas. Sa is by Amor. Ang tawag ng ating official referee ay outside. Kennedy Batas on the service deck. Inisip ni Crisostomo, overcuts that we see, and the Crisostomo, rebound for Jetta. Very good Barbies taking the lead for the match. Official score 8-4. Service by Batas. Not over. Services by Ramos. Sharp serve. Services. Official score 8-6. And overtook the second one.
Super Smash.
Jersey number 12, Chela. Inisip ni Ibanez, magulabulan si Sexy Ibanez, magulabulan si Sexy Ibanez, magulabulan si Sexy Sistrero po si Ibanez, attack. 5-7. Bernal on the service deck. Tamayo. Ang hand still playable. Kaso hindi na naman. Outside serve. Riley now serving. Quick attack angat. Santa Maria. Santa Maria. Santa Maria for the win. Our official score 10-9. Riley still on the service deck. Inisip ni Ralph. Amora atake. The drop ball still playable. Josh Ibanez outside.
The Super Smash.
The referees and the line judge are having some discussion at ang official na tawag now ay reverse ball, dead ball. Official score still is 10-9. Santa Maria now serving. Inisip ni Ralph. Abor sa 4. Abor sa 4. Inisip ni Crisostomo, isa-set. Ibanez sa open. Check ball, angat. No choice. Ibanez sa open. Check ball. Survey. Jersey number 5. Not over.
The Super Smash.
Championship match. Let's see. Official score 12-10. Received by Bernal. Josh Ibanez sa middle. Successful attack for Josh Ibanez. Our official score 12-11. Services for Josh Ibanez. But this time around, it was overcooked. Now serving, jersey number 3. Listen to Crisostomo. Bird down sa open. Solid block by jersey number 12.
Monster block. Monster, monster, monster block.
2-point advantage, courtesy of Team Verigan Warning. Listen to Crisostomo. Bernal babawi. Drop ball, successful. Our official score,
The Super
14-13.
Smash.
Here comes up.
Kennedy Batas. Kennedy Batas. Kennedy Batas. Ang tawag ng ating official referee ay net violation committed
Monster block.
by Jersey.
Monster, monster block.
Answer. Soft touch, angat. Right is a 4, overcomes that one. And that will bring us to 16-13. 3-point lead. 5-0, not one. Kennedy Batas still on the service deck. Quick sharp serve. Angat, Berdala attacking. Dot, angat, Berdala attacking. Dot, serve. Angat, Berdala attacking. Dot, goes through.
Here comes up. Here comes up.
Our official score is 6. Service by Ramos. Angat. Oops, still playable. Josh, this is a kay Berdal. Berdal. Black ball.
Monster block. Monster block. Monster block.
Bingo! Ay, Sam Verdan!
Monster block.
Score 17-15. Binising ni Tamayo.
Oy!
Soft touch by Agrovilla, and it was a success. Official score 18-15.
Here comes up.
That will give them a ticket para sa championship match. Official score 18-15. Soft touch by Agrovilla works. Ibanez, soft touch also. Successful hit by Josh Ibanez. Our official score 18-16. Binisip ni Batas. Aatak si Tamayo. Aatak si Tamayo. Aatak si Tamayo. Solid block by Agolabian.
Monster, monster, monster block.
The lead is down to 1. Official score 18-16. Service by Riley. Binisip ni Batas. Abor atak sa 4. Inangat ni Riley. Over the ball. Abor again. Abor again. This time around it was This time around, it was a successful point by John Abor. Official score 19-17.
Pasok si Mauli.
Service by Tamayo, nilisip ng card. Attacking inside.
The Super Smash.
Official score 19-18. Batas, angat. Oops. Yun lang.
Here comes up.
Our official score 20-18.
Here comes up.
Josh Ibanez now serving. Receive. Batas sa atake.
Cancel mo.
Still playable. Sisabay batas. Batas sa atake. Shot ball. Official score 21-19.
Ang tagal yung tapusin.
Service by Abor. Sharp serve.
Ang Justin!
Ibanez iyo over. Kukunin ang bola. Batas sa open. Batas sa open. So on. Batas sa open. So on. Point for 30. Batas. Official score 22-19.
Shout! Wala, mabaho si Otto.
Now serving, John Doer Abor. So one, over receive. Abor sa 4, still playable. Sisip kay Batas. Batas, aatake. Outside.
The Super Smash.
Service by Mamulang na. Isipin Tamayo. Shella sa gitna, angat ni Josh. Berdal sa open, dinrakon, angat. Kennedy ilalim sa likod with the help of the net, angat. Angat. Cross-court attack by Carl Berdal. Timeout ko para sa receive, set, batas sa open, angat ni Josh. Berdal, babawi sa open, angat. Another attempt for Josh Ibanez. Makulagdan was there. And Berdal, for the win. Inside the match. Makulagdan was there. And Berdal, for the side all 22, service still by Mamulagnan. Receive. Batas, check. Batas, check ball.
Ready ba ako mukha niya si Lita?
Overcooks that service by Ramos. Jersey number 4.
Ben! Crucial, Ben!
The Super Smash.
Cross the river by Ramos. Match point.
Wala!
Pasok ko sa akin yan.
Now serving. Jersey number 12.
Pinatamay ka daw, ilawat mo.
Inisip ni Ibanez. Berdala atake sa open. Shot ball. Angat. Tamayo sa open. Angat ng libero.
Gerno!
Berdal babawi.
Gerno!
Berdal babawi. Attack. Tamayo na naman. Basta by Tamayo.
Kung pinasok mo yung
Sa court pa lang, may tension na agad. Mga mata nagiinit, parang may laban kahit warm up pa lang. Ang lakas ng spike, pati attitude may ibang. Pero kahit nag-aasaran, teamwork pa rin ang laman.